In some cases, you want to make a ticket available only to people with an invitation. For example, it concerns a competition or a private gathering. To ensure that this goes well, you get started with invitation codes. You can provide each ticket or product with a special code. First, create a ticket or edit an existing ticket. Go to the Restrictions tab. Enter a code and save your ticket. You share this code with the relevant participants. Do you want unique codes that can each be used once? Then use the Generate button and create codes. In the registration form, it looks like this. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.